everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel LK Vijay Classes. In this video, I am going to teach you how to change direct speech into indirect speech of the sentences begins with let or let's. Start with let. Okay, if the word let expresses proposal or suggestion, it is changed into indirect speech as the following ways. Said to into proposed to, suggested to, or said, proposed or suggested. The preposition to is used before the object coming after the verb proposed or suggested. For example, suggested to me, proposed to me in this way. For giving a suggestion, the verb of reported speech generally begins with let's or let us. Conjunction that is used removing inverted commas. Remove the word let. Change the pronoun of objective us into the pronoun of nominative case we or they according to the meaning of the sentence. Use the verb should plus first form after the subject we or they. Now you have to remember this note difference between we and they. When the reporter himself is appearing in the proposed action, the personal pronoun we should be used. Or when the reporter himself is not appearing in the proposed action, the personal pronoun they should be used. For example, I said to him, let us go to see a movie. Said to given, so we have changed said to into proposed to or suggested to. I proposed to him. Connective that, and remove the word let. That we should go to see a movie. In this sentence, the reporter himself is appearing. It means I is appearing. So we have used we. Okay. The personal pronoun we. So answer is I proposed to him that we should go to see a movie. I said to the villagers, let us help the poor. I proposed the villagers that we should help the poor. He said, let us wait for her. He proposed that. Here only said given, so use said changed into proposed and connective that. He proposed that they should wait for her. In this sentence, the part which is in the reporting part, okay, he is given as the subject. So here the reporter himself is not appearing. So we have used they in place of we. He proposed that they should wait for her. Next example, he said to his parents, let us solve the test paper. He suggested to his parents that they should solve the test paper. She said to his friends, let us help the poor. He suggested to his friends that they should help the poor. He said, let's go for a walk. He suggested or proposed going for a walk. Second method, he suggested or proposed that they should go for a walk. Remember the structure. Subject plus proposed or suggested plus to plus object plus that plus subject plus should plus first form plus other words. In the other way, subject plus proposed or suggested plus first form plus ing plus other words. Next one is if let. Starting imperative sentence. It means if the sentence start with let word, okay. and it is used to express wish or desire. It shows wish or desire. So sad or sad to into wished or conjunction that. Remove word lad. Use the structure should plus first form after pronouns of nominative case like I, you, he, she, it, etc. For example, Mohan said, let me go out. Okay, let me go out. It means this sentence expresses wish or desire. Mohan wished that he should go out. Because Mohan is wishing, so we have used he here. Radha said, let him be my friend. Radha wished that he should be her friend. The teacher said, let me help the students. The teacher wished. Who is wishing here? Teacher. The teacher wished that he should help the students. She said, let me live with Mohan. She wished that she should live with Mohan. Next one. If let, beginning imperative sentence, is used to express, allow, permit, or request. It is changed into indirect speech as the following ways. Said or said to into ordered, requested, asked. Remove the word let. Used to allow, to remove inverted commas. Use to before the verb in reported speech. Ram said to his master, let me go home. It means Ram is requesting to his master. Ram requested his master to allow him to go home. You can also say Ram requested his master to let him to go home. You have to remember the infinitive to let can also be used in place of the infinitive to allow. The headmaster said to the peon, let the man come in. Headmaster giving order. The headmaster ordered the peon to allow the man to come in. We can also say other way. The headmaster ordered the peon to let the man to come in. If the structure imperative sentence plus question tag is used in the reported speech, it is changed into the indirect speech as the following ways. Said or said to into asked or requested. Use the preposition to, removing inverted commas, and follow the general rules according to need. Remove the question tag. Mohan said to me, give me some money, will you? Mohan requested me to give him some money. Radha said to me, switch off the light, will you? Said to change into requested. Radha requested, or you can say Radha asked me to switch off the light. Next one, the imperative meaning expressing sentence which is interrogative in looking is changed into indirect speech as the following ways. Said or said to into requested, ordered, invited, etc. according to the meaning of the sentence. The preposition to is used removing the inverted commas. For example, Radha said, will you open the gate? It is a polite order. Radha asked, or you can say Radha requested me to open the gate. Ram said to me, will you lend me a pencil, please? This is request. Ram requested me to lend him a pencil. Neetu said, will you have lunch with me tomorrow? This shows invitation. Neetu invited or asked me to have lunch with her the next day. Ram said, may, or we can say, could I use your car? For asking permission, Ram asked if he might or could use my car. Sometimes shall I beginning sentence express the sense of request. It does not express the future time. In this case, shall is changed into should. For example, Radha said, shall I shut the window? Radha asked or requested if she should shut the window. Neeta said, shall I wash your dress? Neeta asked or requested if she should wash my dress. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update. Bye bye.